In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a slide into two parts in PowerPoint. This is a handy technique for organizing information clearly and precisely within your presentations, allowing your audience to digest content more effectively. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you get the perfect layout for your slides. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer if you haven't already. Once your PowerPoint program is up and running, navigate to the presentation you're working on or create a new one if you're just starting out. After your presentation is loaded, head over to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where we'll begin to lay out the structure that will help us divide our slide. Next, look for the table option. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you can select the size of the table you want to add. Since we're aiming to split the slide into two parts, you'll want to insert a two-column table. PowerPoint offers a straightforward way to do this. Simply highlight two columns in the drop-down menu and click to place it onto your slide. Once the table is on your slide, the next step is to adjust its size. You'll want to click and drag the edges of the table, ensuring it spans from the top to the bottom of the slide and fills it as neatly as possible. This setup acts as a skeleton for your layout and will guide how content is divided. After the table is sized to fit your slide, it's time to label the columns. Click inside the first column and type Part 1, then move over to the second column and type Part 2. These labels will help guide the content you plan to place in each section, keeping your information organized and easy to follow. Now let's make the table look less like a table. Navigate to the Table Design tab, which becomes available once your table is selected. Take a moment to explore the design options provided, which can add style and clarity to your layout. Click on the Table Design drop-down menu to see a variety of preset themes. For this task, we recommend choosing a transparent or plain table theme. This will remove unnecessary borders and shading, ensuring the table serves its purpose without distracting from your content. By following these steps, you've effectively split your slide into two parts, using a table as your guide and framework. This approach is not only effective for organizing content, but also enhances the visual clarity of your presentation. Use these skills to make your PowerPoint slides more engaging and communicative, ensuring your audience follows along with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to return for more PowerPoint tips and tricks in future videos.